Hey guys, welcome to a new weekly recap. And as always, we're gonna go over my trades this week, check my performance this last couple of days. So let's get right into it. So this is basically how I'm doing so far this year. As you guys can see, and those who watched the previous video, we weren't able to increase our total R or our equity. We're still at the same point, and I'm gonna explain why. So if we go to our weekly recap, this is basically how we did this week. So we basically took a total of 7 trades and they were all break even. It was definitely a break even week. I'm currently in a break even streak. I haven't been able to make any profit or have any take profits this last couple of days. But also I was able to protect my capital and I didn't have any losses at all, which is also of course very nice considering that last week we had a little bunch of losses in a row. So it was a very tough week, I'm not gonna lie, considering that first, the market was kind of slow. Second, most of our opportunities or trades got kind of close to our take profit and moved toward expected direction. But at the end, they basically reversed against us and we got stopped out of break even. But I'm gonna show you, as always, a couple of trades here. I'm gonna open the screenshots real quick. I'm gonna show you each of these trades for you guys to check basically what setups I took this week. But yeah, actually I was speaking with a couple of guys in my community, like on Instagram, that they texted me through DM, and a lot of people told me that it was also a very slow week for them. And that's basically what happened. It was not the best week at all, but we executed our plan. We took every single trade that fitted and matched our rules, so it was fine. And that's basically how trading works. So this is the first trade on USD CAD. Just to mention, this first 5 trades, this first 5 trades were actually taken last week, but I basically hold them over the weekend because there was no outcome. Basically the trades were running and they closed or they stopped me at break even at the beginning of this week. So you guys can see basically on Monday, and then this one actually on Sunday, this one's on Monday, and then this one on Tuesday. And then I took 2 trades recently this week, like at the end of the week, and I had the outcomes basically, like, I think if I'm not wrong, today is 23rd. Yeah, I actually had the outcome of these trades today early morning. So I'm going to just first speak about the first trade, so the ones I took last week, but the outcomes basically happened at the beginning of this week, which is USD CAD. We can see this one, we got very close to our take profit. That's what I was saying. We got very close, and then we fortunately price reversed against us and stopped me at break even. I don't remember if this trade actually hit take profit afterwards, but it was a break even for me and there's nothing to do about it. I just follow my rules. Then Euro USD short position, similar thing, price went into our direction. It reached 102, actually, like 122 in here, and then it reversed back, stopped me out at break even. Then NZD Chef, same thing. And actually this one, if I'm not wrong, I don't remember if this one reversed back or hit take profit. I don't remember. I think this one actually reversed and then it was like stop loss. But in this case, I got stopped out at break even. We can see same things. Price reached 101, then it stopped me out at break even, basically on when the market opened, and then it pushed back again to our expected direction, but without us. This one, Euro, this is gold actually, same thing. So 101, then reverse back, stopped me out at break even. And this one, very similar thing. So we got a very nice sniper entry. Price moved to our expected direction, but unfortunately then price reversed back and stopped me out at break even. This was also very close, similar to USD CAD, but there's nothing to do about it. And these were the most recent trades. So this one was Euro CAD, and this one was GBP Chef that I'm actually going to show you real quick here. So Euro CAD, which was this one here, right? It was a break even, liquidity sweep, breakup structure for value gap. Price also literally no drawdown at all, very sniping, like a sniper entry. Moved to my 101, moved my stop loss to break even. It got very close to our take profit. It reached, I think if I'm not wrong, a 122, and then it reversed back and stopped me out at break even at the beginning of this, like on Friday. So basically on London session, if I'm not wrong, it was like around, London session. And then GBP Chef, let me look for this one real quick. We also got stopped out at break even. And unfortunately, this one is working out so far. Let's see if it reaches our take profit, of course, without us. But as we can see, same things, liquidity sweep, breakup structure, fair value gap, we got tagged here. Then price got really close to our stop loss. I was actually sleeping at this point, so I didn't see this whole movement to the upside. And then when Trump spoke early today about tariffs and everything, the market got really crazy. A lot of volume entered into the markets, and we got a very strong impulse to the downside, reached my 101. I woke up around this area and I was able to move my stop loss to break even. I don't have like a trade assistant that moves this stop loss automatically, so I did it myself. And then I got stopped out at break even, and we can see that price basically came back again, and we're still like the trade is still working, but of course without me. I'm gonna put the 1 hour for you guys to understand. So it went down, then it came back, stopped me out of break even, and now it's working down again. So those were basically the trades I took this week. So you guys can see a lot of break evens, but all trades look extremely similar to each other because they were basically matching my roles, my plan, and everything was in confluence and basically in confluence with my trading plan. And as always, I'm going to give you a quick update of how I'm doing with my trading challenges. Basically, nothing changed because every single trade I took was a break even. So I'm just going to give you a quick update. The funded next, the phase 1 25k account is still -4. Then my phase 2 with alpha, my 25k account is still in break even. I have this pending order right now. I'm going to show you that trade real quick. Then I have my funding pips that I have a trade that is currently running in profit. It's not risk free right now, but it's running in profit, which is of course nice. GBP AUD. And I have this one 4% up. Then I have the Blueberry funded 100k challenge. This is in phase 1, still a break even. I had I think 1 break even trade this week or 2 break even trades this week in this specific challenge. And then my funded is -1%. I took the EuroCAD position, so the one I just recently showed you, which was this one with the funded account, but I got stopped out of break even, so there's nothing to do about it. And then my DarwinX, I don't remember if this is -1 or -2 because I had actually a very tough losing streak. If I'm not wrong, this is -2% right now because of my losing streak last week. But I currently have GBP AUD running in profit and waiting for this one to get tagged. So I'm going to show you basically GBP AUD, which is currently active. And I also have AUD CAD that is active. Actually, I don't remember with what account I took this trade, but it looks like we're going to get stopped out of break even, especially that market is going to open. I'm going to hold this trade throughout the weekend, so we might get stopped out when market opens, of course, because of spread, but I'm currently risk-free in this position. I don't remember in what account I took it. I'm going to double check after this recording, like this video. But I have this active, this short position, and then I have GBP AUD, this long position that, as I said, we're currently running in profit, but I'm waiting for price to reach my 101. I'm holding this trade over the weekend. We'll see what happens. And this is the Euro AUD long position that I'm currently waiting. As I said, I'm planning to take this one with my phase 2 account with alpha, and then with my DarwinX account in here. You guys can see this one with 2% my challenge and this one with 1%. So I'm waiting for this specific long position. And I have a couple of trades that I'm planning to take that I'm going to set my pending orders literally right away before the market closes. And yeah, those are basically, this one was actually a missed trade. I didn't take this trade. I was more interested in this short position, but unfortunately we didn't get tagged. As we can see, it was a very close miss. But this long position was also valid, a little bit more aggressive, but I didn't take it. But I just wanted to mark it up. So I'm actually going to move this. So yeah, those are basically the trades I'm looking so far for next week. And I'll keep you updated as always in my Instagram stories. If you guys don't follow me there, make sure to follow me. I have the link in the description down below. And also if you guys are interested in getting this trading journal, you can also find it in the description down below. So that was all for this weekly recap. I hope you guys liked it and see you in the next one. Take care.